Here we sketch a Bode plot for the given open loop transfer function. Here the open loop transfer function 64 s plus 2 by s plus 0.5 s square plus 3.2 s plus 64. Question is to sketch Bode plot and comment on system stability. This given open loop transfer function is not on the standard form. You have to bring it 1 plus omega t form. So first you put s equal to j omega. Then you bring it into 1 plus st form, and from this second order equation or pair of complex conjugate pole, you separate real and imaginary part. So first you see the numerator here. For bringing it to 1 plus omega t form, I multiply and divide 2 on the denominator. For this factor, multiply and divide 0.5, and here multiply and divide 64. So the simplified transfer function is this one. The given open loop transfer function, this simplified open loop transfer function, it consists of Hype factor, and this one I arranged according to the increasing order of their corner frequency. See, this one is one factor, this one is one factor, this one is one factor, this one and this one. For constant factor 4, no corner frequency. For this factor, the corner frequency is 1 by 0.5, that is 2. For this factor j omega, corner frequency is none, no corner frequency is there. For this factor it is 1 by 2, that is 0.5, and for this factor the corner frequency is 8. So I arranged all these factor on the increasing order of corner frequency. Constant gain 4, pole at origin, these two have no corner frequency. Pole at this one, pole at 0.5, corner frequency is 0.5. Then 0 at -2, corner frequency is 2. 1 by 0.5, that is 2. And pair of complex conjugate pole, it have omega n is 8, damping ratio is 0.2, and corner frequency 8. This equation, it represents the phase angle. Now, before sketching the Bode plot, first we draw the characteristic of different factor. So first you make a table for this one. This is the question. This is my question. I make a table. We shows the characteristics or the nature of the different factor. So first, factor I take 4. Its corner frequency is none. No corner frequency is there. Then what is the nature of this slope? Slope is 0 dB per decade. It is parallel to 0 dB line and it intersect 0 dB line it intersect 0 dB line at 20 log 4. 20 log 4 is 12 dB. Then for the next factor is 1 by j omega. It has also corner frequency nil, no corner frequency is there. It has a slope. See, it is a presence of pole at the origin. Slope is minus 20 dB per decade. It has a straight line passing through omega equal to 1. Then next, one by 1 plus 2 j omega. Corner frequency is 0.5. Its slope is also minus 20 dB per decade. It is a straight line passing through omega equal to 1. Straight line passing through omega equal to 1, and it start at corner frequency 0.5. Then for the next factor, 1 by 1 plus j 0.5 omega. Corner frequency is 2. Slope is, sorry, it is not 1 by, it is simple 0. Plus 20 dB per decade. It is a straight line passing through omega equal to 1, and it start at the corner frequency 2 rad per second. The next factor is the pair of complex conjugate pole. Plus j 0.4 omega by 8. Corner frequency is 8. It has a straight line having the slope of minus 40 dB per decade. You remember, for 0 it is plus 20 dB per decade, plus 40 dB per decade, plus 60 dB per decade, like this. And for zeros, for poles, it is minus 20 dB per decade, minus 40 dB per decade, minus 60 dB per decade, like this. As it is a pole complex conjugate, so minus 40 dB per decade. A straight line, it having a straight line slope of minus 40 dB per decade, and start at a corner frequency of omega equal to 8 rad per second. Now we draw separate asymptotic line for all these 5 factor and join them, which represent Bode plot. So let us. So first I draw it in a plain paper. Next I show how to draw it in a semi-log sheet. On x-axis it is a frequency log base 10 omega, and y-axis you take magnitude in dB. This is decibel. X-axis first 10 division. It is according to the corner frequency you take. As here the minimum corner frequency is 0.5. So the initial point I take it is 0.1. Then first 10 division it is 1. Then 10. Then 100, like this. And on the y-axis plus 20, plus 40, plus 60, 20 division I take, and negative axis similarly minus 20, minus 40, like this. So how you start? So first factor, the gain, constant gain k, corner frequency is none. And what is the nature of the curve? It is a straight line having the slope of 0 dB per decade, parallel to this 0 dB line, parallel to this 0 dB line, and it intersect this 0 dB line, this magnitude axis at 20 log 4. This is 12 dB. Let this one is 12 dB. This one is the 12 dB. Let. So I draw a straight line having the slope of 0 dB per decade. Okay. Here I write 0 dB per decade. This is 12 dB, 20 log 4. Next, the factor 1 by j omega. It is a straight line having the slope of minus 20 dB per decade, passing through omega equal to 1. So from this plus 20 you draw a straight line passing through omega equal to 1. This one minus 20 dB per decade, for which factor 1 by j omega. Then for the next factor 1 by 1 plus 2j omega. The corner frequency 0.5. 0.5. Which one is the 0.5? This one. Let this one is 0.5. Slope is minus 20 dB per decade, passing through omega equal to 1, and start from corner frequency 0.5. For this factor, the nature of the magnitude versus frequency curve is straight line having the slope of minus 20 dB per decade, passing through omega equal to 1, and start from omega equal to 0.5 corner frequency. So this line is the minus 20 dB per decade. Just you draw a parallel line to this line and start from 0.5. It gives minus 20 dB per decade for the factor 1 by 1 plus j 2 omega. Next, we draw for the fourth factor 1 by 1 plus j 0.5 omega, simple 0. For this factor, the nature of the magnitude versus frequency curve is straight line having the slope of plus 20 dB per decade, passing through omega equal to 1, and start from corner frequency omega equal to 2. Let this one is 2. So starting from this point, you draw a slope of plus 20 dB per decade. So which one is plus 20? From this minus 20 point, you draw a straight line up to the first 10 division. This one 1. You just this one from parallel to this line, you draw plus 20 dB per decade from here, plus 20 dB per decade for 1 plus j 0.5 omega factor. Then the last one, you draw a magnitude versus frequency plot for pair of complex conjugate pole. Corner frequency is 8. The nature of the curve is a straight line having the slope of plus minus 40 dB per decade, passing through a point omega equal to 1 and starts from corner frequency omega equal to 8. So minus 40, how you draw? From this plus 40, you draw a straight line up to omega equal to 1, which represent minus 40 dB per decade, and parallel, by making parallel to this line, you draw from omega equal to 8, it is shows minus 40 dB per decade for complex conjugate pole. So all these 5 factor asymptotic line we get this constant, it is for a factor, constant factor 4 0 dB per decade. This one the first one. The second one for simple pole at origin, which one you get? This one, second one, having the slope of minus 20 dB per decade. The next one, simple pole, 1 by 1 plus 2 j omega. This one you get, this one slope is minus 20 dB per decade. This third one. The fourth one is the simple 0, and the fifth one is the pole of complex conjugate, pair of complex conjugate pole. Now you have to add all these. This is the different magnitude versus phase angle for all these 5 factor. Now you have to combine all of these. See, if you see a question, how you know what is the initial slope for the given question? As it is a type 1 system, the initial slope is minus 20 dB per decade. Previously we discussed what is the initial slope for different type of a system. As it is a type 1, the initial slope is minus 20. So how you have to add all this one? Now I represent all this asymptotic line for all these 5 factor in a semilog sheet. This is a semilog sheet. Here already axes are given. This is a semilog sheet. Already here scale are given. This type of semilog sheet is called as 5 cycle because here it consists of 5 cycle. First 10, second 10, third, fourth and fifth. Hence it is called as 5 cycle semilog sheet. So see, the first curve, it shows magnitude versus frequency. This axis, this is a frequency axis, x-axis is a frequency axis, it is log base 10 omega, and y-axis is a magnitude in decibel. First 10 division you take plus 20, then plus 40, then plus 60 according to the net slope you take, then similarly minus 20, minus 40, like this you take. See,